Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is our very first episode of Craftmas, and we're starting off with a Halloween craft. So the supplies that you're going to need for that are the Caesar electric orange or copper. Different places call it different things, and this is a Halloween mandala SVG that is available on our website, which is cuttincornersvinyl.com. You'll also need your chalkboard, which I went ahead and weeded this to save time because this is a pain in the hiney to weed. It's absolutely gorgeous. This chalkboard came from Hobby Lobby and it was $3.99. You'll also need your Easy Weeding wooden pick, scissors, Teflon sheet, and your heat press. Now give me a moment to get the camera angle changed and we'll show you everything that's going on.
So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the chalkboard from Hobby Lobby. And the only reason I didn't weed this one on camera is because it is so complicated. It takes a lot of time. And the chalkboard from Hobby Lobby was $3.99. I bought it when it was 40% off, so that made it like $3, a little less, $3 probably with tax. But I saw this and I thought, oh, this would make an adorable Halloween sign. And if you're looking for tutorials on how to cut or lay out your designs, I've got plenty of those on my channel, but for Craftmas we are keeping it short and simple and to the point so that way people can get ideas for Craftmas. Now what I'm doing is I am just laying this out in the center of the chalkboard. I'm going a little bit closer where my stem is and a little bit lower, so as you can see how that looks. Now we're going to take and cover it with our Teflon sheet, and the heat press is set on 315 degrees, and we're going to heat it for about 15 seconds. And you can do heat transfer vinyl on a lot of different objects. A lot of people aren't sure how to do it, but it is actually not that difficult to do. So there we go. And you could actually use this as a chalkboard if you want to, but that's not how I'm wanting to use it. So there we go. Now we're going to recover and heat again, just to make sure everything's adhered. We're going to heat again for the final 15 seconds, and you'll see this is absolutely adorable. And you could easily transition this idea for fall or for Christmas. So there you go. Look how cute that turned out. Took no time at all. The hardest part on this is to weed the vinyl, but as you can see, it's not going anywhere. So don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below and the notification bell icon next to it. That will notify you when we post new videos, which during Craftmas is every single day. Other than that, I think that's it. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.